So I've taken it out of the refrigerator after 5 minutes and I've fixed all the parts, and so now here comes the moment of truth, whether it will work, because it worked for me the first time. This is the second time I've faced the problem that my laptop won't start up. So here is the moment of truth. Let's go for it. Let's see if my laptop is fixed. And yes, it is. So for the second time it has worked for me. I know that it will not work every time. It will only work for the first few times. It's a sign that your motherboard is aging and you will need to replace it very soon. This is just delay tactics. Hopefully I'll be able to continue for another 2 months like this. Is it booting? Yeah, it is booting. So my laptop is working and I'm happy. That's it.